Today's Thursday, and right now it's about noon, so morning's actually over, but I've finished a few classes, and now I am yeah, just waiting on my next class. And I wanted to pop in and say hi and introduce today's vlog. I had my coffee. My glass looks very gross, but it's because I had cinnamon in my coffee. I started drinking it with honey and cinnamon instead of using sugar. And I know that cinnamon is really good for us, so I started using that, and it tastes really good. And I'm going to try the whipped coffee as well. So I may try that later today, or I don't know if I feel like I need coffee later today, because normally I only drink coffee in the morning, or I might just try it tomorrow morning. But anyway, what do y'all think about the quality on this new camera? I think I really like it, so yeah, I hope it's really clear for you guys. I am going to remake the Tuscan salmon recipe that I tried the other day, but failed because I ended up using tilapia, the recipe that I found on Pinterest. So I'm gonna try and remake that today. I actually picked up some salmon yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and try that and hope for the best this time. But that one was really good. Like, it was really good, so I think this one may just be even better with the salmon. I guess I'll see you guys in the kitchen when I'm ready to cook. Oh, I'm also going to work out today. I've been back on my workouts, and I feel so good. My body was like starting to get really like tight, and my joints were starting to hurt and things like that because I hadn't worked out in like 2 weeks. And yeah, just kind of getting back on track with that. So I feel good. I feel strong, and I'm going to do my workout today. So yeah, that's exciting, right? My next class is about to start here shortly, so I'll be back with you guys after work. All right, see ya. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen once again. So I'm back to make dinner. I'm on my cell phone right now because my camera battery is charging. So I'm about to make what's it called, the creamy Tuscan salmon, the one I showed you before. So here is my salmon that I'm going to be using, and then here are majority of the ingredients. I have the olive oil here that I have in the pan warming right now. I've got onion, butter, tomato, minced garlic. I'm using the minced garlic this time, and then this spicy tomato and basil. I am going to add some of this to kind of help to give it that sun-dried tomato taste, even though, you know, I don't have the actual sun-dried tomato sauce because they were out. So I'm going to improvise with this. I'm going to use mushrooms, and then I didn't use mushrooms last time, so I'm using mushrooms this time. And then my cheese. Now, since I'm using mozzarella cheese, if you try to make this dish, I recommend that you top your dish with the mozzarella instead of adding it to the pan like I did the last time, because mozzarella gets really clingy and sticky, and it sticks to your serving dish, your serving spoon. I've got my olive oil in the pan here. Got some chopped spinach that I'm going to be using, and then some heavy whipping cream and my chicken broth. So yeah, let's get started. So the salmon fillets are almost done. This is how they are looking. I've turned them so they cook on this side, and now I have it cooking on the opposite side. I only season one side. I just season it really, really well, so I don't have to, you know, do the work of seasoning on both sides. I just don't think it's necessary, but it's a matter of choice, you know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks really, really good. So the seasonings that I used were some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, a really good amount of smoked paprika, and then some of this Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, just for a little kick, extra kick. And then I used some Season It All. I'm out of salt, and I really didn't want to use it anyway, so I just used some of this Season It All. It has it's like seasoned salt, but it's like a Hispanic type seasoned salt. I was thinking I might go ahead and add a can of diced tomatoes. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll just see. I just want to make sure that it's enough sauce to feed everyone. And I only have like a half a carton of the chicken broth left, so yeah, that's what I was thinking. But yeah, these look really, really good. So you see, they're really seasoned on one side, really seasoned well. So, and they're pretty much ready for now. So I'm gonna remove them from the pan. They smell so good. Ooh, that's a big one. Okay, I'm gonna break it. I don't want to break it. I want it to be perfect. It's gonna break. It broke. Oh my gosh. I'm so sad. That would have been a beautiful one once I got it plated. But anyway, yeah. So just removing my fish from the pan, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start on my sauce. I'm just gonna do like half of this block, well, a little bit less than half a block of butter. That's about what I used the last time. So I add my butter in here, and I'm just gonna mix it with the sauces left over from the fish. I'm going to add in my garlic first, and then I'm going to add in the onions and cook those for 1 or 2 minutes until they become translucent. And then I'm going to add in my diced tomatoes and cook those until, you know, they're just kind of toasted or kind of brown, just so they can release their flavors. That's what the recipe said. I thought that sounds so delicious. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I know. Okay, so I got my garlic in here, and that's cooking, and it's turning really, really brown, so I'm going to work quickly from this point. I said I wasn't going to show you guys the whole recipe, but it just looks so good, and I couldn't help it. I know if you try this recipe, you're going to love it, so I'm going to link it in the description box below. It's from a website on Pinterest called eatwell.com. But yeah, really, really delicious. So my onions are sauteing. I'm going to let those saute for about 1 more minute, and then I'm going to add in my tomato and my mushroom. sure all the mushrooms are coated. Oh, this would really be good with shrimp. Oh, just imagine if you had some shrimp in here, girl. Oh my gosh. That would be so delicious. I think next time I'm going to try it with shrimp and salmon. Doesn't that sound good? Alright guys, so I have finished the sauce. I added in about 6 slices of Velveeta cheese. I know, like, I just wanted it to be cheesy. So instead of using shredded cheese, I just used the Velveeta cheese slices. And it is so good. It's so good. So right now I'm about to just add my fish back in, my salmon. I'm going to save a piece for King so I can mix it with his rice and give him a little bit of sauce, because this one has onions in it and he's allergic to onions. So I nailed it this time, you guys. This looks so good. Can you guys see that? So yummy. Bon appetit again. All right, let's eat.